right out the gate. Did you catch that? The judge could send her straight to jail, but chooses not to. That tells us two things. One, this judge values honesty and accountability over punishment. And two, we're in for a delicate balancing act between justice and compassion. Let's see how it unfolds.
Here's what I'm going to do. Typically, if someone tests positive for what you tested positive for, they'd be going to jail today. But I'm not going to do that, but I am going to order some very specific bond conditions. Good morning.
Assault on a peace officer and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Those aren't small charges. This isn't just a traffic ticket situation. The stakes here are high. Every word that comes next could influence how the court handles her moving forward.
Precious Eagland?
Yes.
And Miss Eagland is charged with assault?
I think they came in Friday, so I haven't had a chance to look at them.
Okay. So, Miss Eagland, I'm going to reset your case for about 30 days. It's important that you call this week, make an appointment to go visit with Mr. Rojas so you can see all the evidence and discovery that he has, and we'll get an announcement at the next court date.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to speak to the military people.
The who?
The
Oh, okay. Sure. If you'll just...
It's taking time on me. I didn't even much know that I couldn't even much look at a video.
This moment hits hard. You can hear her confusion and frustration, a defendant lost in the process. And honestly, it's a reminder of how intimidating courtrooms can be. Legal terms, paperwork, evidence for someone in crisis. It's a maze with no map.
I don't know what's going on.
Well, here's what you need to do. The way that you find out what's going on is to call Mr. Rojas and go sit with him in his office, and he'll go over everything. He'll go over what the state has given him. He'll go over what your options are, make sure you understand that. But you're not expected to understand it all until you go talk to your attorney. That's what he's here for.
Yes, ma'am. They being said I almost spoke to them, but we never once talked about that.
He just got the video. Okay, so if I test you this morning, you're gonna have anything in your system?
No.
Let's double check that. Have a seat in the jury box. This is Mr. Nichols on Precious Eagland again, y'all. Yes, sir.
Judge, I was speaking with Ms. Eagland in the jury box, and she indicated she wanted to address the court again about the drug use.
Okay.
Okay, honestly, forgive me for not telling you the truth. Just today,
That's a heartbreaking admission, and incredibly rare in open court. Most defendants hide relapses out of fear of judgment or jail time. But her honesty, that's what's moving the judge to compassion here. Relapse doesn't erase progress. It just means recovery is still in progress. And legally speaking, this confession could hurt her case. Yet she says it anyway. That takes guts.
That's my mother. It'll be a year. I'm not using it as an excuse, but I've been reaching out to her if I go talk to my caseworker and stuff like that. I'm going through therapy. Like, man,
what are you going to test positive?
To kill myself.
Listen, what are you going to test positive for?
For PCP. I relapsed on PCP. I've been clean. I had a sponsor. I've been cleaning out PCP for 2 years. And I just felt like I couldn't take none of this. And that's why I was asking even out there, because I've been my own people that I'm seeing, those Saiga is out of Houston. So I had been set up everything with my son and my fiance to keep my kids, because I really need to go get me some help. I feel like I'm on a breaking point.
All right, hang on a second.
May I inquire, Judge, how she got here this morning?
Yeah, how'd you get here?
My nephew, he outside.
Okay. You didn't drive?
No.
When's the last time you used?
It's been going on like a week or so. So I had to go and like detox for a couple of days. I just did it by myself so I could start taking my medication.
Where's, would you call and get, have a seat in the jury box. I'm gonna have somebody come talk to you, and then we'll decide what to do after that, all right? So, hang on. So, Miss Eagland, you were...
Notice the tone shift. The judge is firm, but empathetic. Instead of revoking bond, she's layering in conditions. The drug patch, no driving, mandatory check-ins. This is what we call a rehabilitative bond. a modern approach that focuses on support rather than simple punishment. What do you think? Should more judges take this kind of compassionate stance, or is it too lenient?
Truthful in what you tested positive for, okay? Here's what I'm going to do. Typically, if someone tests positive for what you tested positive for, they'd be going to jail today. But I'm not going to do that, but I am going to order some very specific bond conditions. One of those is that you are going to have to get a drug patch. You have 24 hours to get that. Your bondsman can let you know where to get it. It's a patch that you wear on your arm. You have to get it changed every 2 weeks. It's obviously going to test positive this first time, but it needs to test negative after that. Do you understand? And also, I'm going to order, at least for now, that you are not allowed to drive. Okay? You need to get a ride until you test negative for a little while. Okay. And then you're gonna have you visit with the people you're gonna visit with this morning, hopefully get a plan together, and as a condition of your bond, you're gonna be ordered to follow whatever plan. Make appointments, go to Spindletop, do whatever you need to do, okay? Because we want to get you back on the right path so we can take care of your case. So,
I don't know, I'm grieving.
well, they're going to give you some resources and where to go to try to get some help so that you can kind of get yourself together so you can work with Mr. Rojas and get your case taken care of, okay?
I apologize.
It's okay.
You can feel the weight lifting just a bit. She's not walking free, but she's walking forward. The court gives her structure, not a sentence. And that small distinction can change the entire trajectory of someone's life. This isn't just about punishment. It's about redemption in real time.
So look, have a seat over there, but make sure between today and tomorrow, you get that drug patch put on. They have a list over there. Okay. That's where you can get it taken care of. So when you're done with court, find out where you can get it taken care of and get that on before tomorrow, okay?
Thank you.
All right, just have a seat back in the jury box until you visit with Spindletop.